You need 6 months to change your life. Intro. Stop scrolling. If you stay exactly the same for the next 6 months, your life will not magically improve. But if you do this for just 6 months, you won't recognize your life 1 year from now. This isn't motivation. This is a system. Meet Alex, fast and relatable. Alex wasn't failing. That was the problem. He was comfortable, decent job, decent health, decent excuses. Every day looked the same. Wake up, phone, work, scroll, sleep, big goals, zero momentum. The rule that changed everything. One sentence changed Alex's direction. 6 focused months can fix years of confusion. No hustle fantasy, no overnight success, just ruthless focus. Phase 1. Cut the noise. Month 1. Alex didn't add habits, he deleted them. Social media apps, gone. Notifications, off. Random commitments, cancelled. At first, it felt uncomfortable, boring, quiet, then clarity showed up. Phase 2. Reset the brain. Month 2. His brain was addicted to easy dopamine. Short videos, junk food, constant stimulation. So he removed easy pleasure. The first week was brutal. Then effort started feeling good. Focus came back. Energy followed. Phase 3. Small wins only. Month 3. No massive goals, no pressure, just non-negotiables. 20 minutes of movement, 15 minutes of learning, 10 minutes of planning, small actions, every day. Consistency beat motivation. Phase 4. Becoming rare. Month 4. Alex didn't try to be the best. He tried to be useful. He stacked skills. Thinking clearly, communicating simply, showing up consistently. That combination made him valuable. Phase 5. 80-20. Reality check. Month 5. Most of Alex's effort was wasted. So he asked, what actually moves my life forward? He doubled down on the top 20%, cut the rest, less work, better results. Phase 6. Financial control. Month 6. Money stress drains focus. Alex tracked spending, automated savings, built a buffer. Nothing fancy, just control. Calm replaced anxiety. The result. 6 months didn't make Alex rich or famous. It made him focused, calm, confident. Momentum replaced confusion. Final truth. Most people wait for motivation. Winners build systems. If you control your attention for 6 months, your life will change. Quietly, permanently. Outro. If this gave you clarity, subscribe to Insight Library. Read less, think deeper, grow smarter.